Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Will Ross. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you celebrate Christmas, I really hope you had a great Christmas and a blessed time with your family and friends or whoever you celebrate it with. I know I did. Christmas is a time to be thankful for the things you have and the family around you. I really appreciate all the Christmas wishes that were left in my comments recently. I really appreciate it. I really like the community that I have on my channel. Just the people I get to talk to in the comments, and it's just great. So thank you all for being really great people to watch my videos, and I hope you had a great holiday season. Today I wanted to go into some interior mods that I've talked about in some other videos that I think just make my life a lot easier. It's only 2 mods that I want to talk about, but they have a significant kind of impact on the way that I view my Tacoma and the way that I use my Tacoma, and just the ways that it makes my life easier. And I wanted to share with you guys how those ways impact the way that I drive, the way that I kind of use my Tacoma. So I won't waste any more of your time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video in the first place. Before we jump into it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the video. So the first mod I want to talk about is this little console tray right here. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't get this sooner. I got this around 3 or 4 months after I got my Tacoma, and once I got it, I just can't believe that I spent that much time without it. If you don't know what it does, it's just a little insert here that you can take out from the sides. As I have trouble, that's great. And there's a little dip right here. This is how the Tacoma comes stock, and I can't believe that it looks this messy, but it does. The Tacoma comes stock in this big kind of hole, and I really didn't like that. So one of the first things that I tried to do was try to look for a mod that would kind of fill this gap. There are many things out there, but the one that I prefer is this one I found on Amazon that I'll leave the link in the description. And it's around 15 bucks. You can't really beat it. And it comes with these little inserts, and you basically insert this tray. It's very easy. It comes with this little coin slot right here that I put all my extra change. And it comes with these little inserts right here that actually match my other inserts that I'll talk about later, but I can't seem to get it out. It's in very sturdy, so I can't really get it out, but it comes with these 2 slabs that you can insert yourself in here. It's really kind of a grit thing so that nothing really moves around when you drive. I really didn't want anything to be sliding around. I keep my wallet in here. Obviously, it's a perfect fit, and it never slides. It always is rugged. It takes a lot of force to kind of move this side to side. I really like that kind of feature because I don't really want to be driving around corners and I hear things, knocking about. So this is kind of one modification that really has made my life a lot easier, especially when I'm paying in cash, and I get to kind of put my quarters here, my nickels here, my pennies over here. It's really been convenient. The cool thing about this too is it's not hard to take off and put on. You saw me do it earlier, but here's this little dip. I have many different things in here. I've got my sunglass holders, mask, I've got my sunglass holders, a mask, hand sanitizer, just like random stuff. And another thing I haven't tried out yet, but I really want to try, is these 2 little USB things right there. You can see the little inserts. I haven't tried running them through the top and seeing if it works with the tray, but I'm sure that it will. So yeah, it just pops on and off really easily. You just kind of fit it right there, and it fits snug. You can't really move it around. But yeah, very, very good mod, very cheap mod that you can get on Amazon that has really changed the way that I have organized my truck, and I'm really glad that I got it. The next mod I'm going to talk about are these cup holder inserts. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff that I hold in my cup holders right here. Obviously, it's just a really ideal thing to have. As soon as I got these, funny enough, I had a Coke sitting right here. I opened it and it fizzed out, and it just went all over these inserts. So kind of a bummer. You can see there's a little bit of stainage right there, but it handled it like a beast. I'm really glad that I got them when I did, because it really just kind of handled that Coke, and I got to just get it out, clean it, insert it. Whereas if you left this, the way that it used to be, it might have stained the inside, which could hurt resale value, obviously. But these cup holders are really, really awesome. I really like the way it looks in my truck too. It's a little bit dirty just because I've had them for a couple of months, but I went with the gray option, and I think that it just works great with the interior. As you can see, a lot of gray and black, and then it just kind of really fits well into the coating of the truck. It also goes well with these inserts as well. When I got these, I got these after I got this kind of tray, and you can see how identical these are. It's kind of crazy that I'm really glad I went for this kind of gray and black option, because it fits really well with the insert tray. I didn't even plan it that way. It kind of transforms the look of the inside. It's something very, very subtle that you wouldn't know if you didn't look at, but it really kind of changes the dynamic of the whole truck. And this goes along with everything. So there's a side pocket here, there's a side pocket over there, a little trash in there because I'm dirty, side pockets down there. Every single place in this truck that has a slot or a pocket has this insert. So even this tray down here's got one. These cup holders right here have them, over there, and just anywhere in the truck that has a pocket or a holder has these. So definitely a really awesome mod that kind of changes the way the interior looks. You can also go for red, you can go for blue. There's a lot of options on Amazon. These both mods are from Amazon, and they got to me within like 3 days. So, and there's many options for looks. You can go for both of them. But I'm in an empty parking lot, like completely empty, and this dude just pulled up right next to me, so I'm gonna dip. Those are two mods that I really love. I can't believe that I got this truck and went any amount of time without either of these. But I definitely recommend it if you're a new Tacoma owner, or if you're looking to get a Tacoma. One of the first mods that I would do are these cup holder inserts and this little tray right here. Made my life a whole lot easier. But with that, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope you had a great Christmas, and I'm looking forward to hearing how those Christmases went in the comments below. I hope you guys have a really good Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Peace.